Hi everyone, Paula here from Goes to 11 Media, bringing you another episode of Grounds for Divorce Coffee Reviews. I'm joined by my husband Rick. Hi baby.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Doing okay. Anxiously awaiting what surprises you have in store here today for us.
Yes.
It's some decadence by the looks of it.
Yes, I've been experimenting again.
It's what I refer to as having Rick have one foot on a banana peel, the other foot in a grave.
Can you explain how you figure that, please?
Just all these sweet treats and great foods and whatever else. It's just like, okay.
Yeah, you don't really like them, do you?
No.
Like, honestly. Because it's bad for your figure.
For my girlish waistline.
Men that work hard don't have abs. We have one ab. One big ab.
All right, so what's on deck here?
Okay, so let's start with the coffees, the lattes.
Okay.
So I thought we'd try a couple of Christmassy type coffee lattes. So that you have over there, I believe, is the eggnog latte. And the wonderful thing about making an eggnog latte is you just go to the store, buy yourself a carton of eggnog, and then make the latte up.
You know what? I'm gonna tell you, it's so funny how, like, a society, we've changed how we do things. I can remember as a kid, now this is going back to the 70s, my mom would make eggnog all the time for us. Like, you know, as kids, we don't, you know, just as a treat, here's some eggnog. Wouldn't be seasonal. And it was, I remember it was like a couple eggs, milk, nutmeg, I can't remember what else, vanilla. Put it in the blender, boom, and there's your eggnog. And there was no worries of like salmonella or any of that kind of stuff. We never thought twice about it. And now today you tell somebody that you cracked a raw egg into your drink, they'd be like, oh my God.
Indeed. It's
so weird, right? Like you just never thought about it, never had any problems from it. Now it's like, as you say, you want to have eggnog, you go to the store and you buy it. And it's like, it's not hard to make, but it just, there's that risk.
I guess so.
This is good, I like it.
Do you? Mm-hmm. It's interesting because I think some particular chain of cafes have discontinued the eggnog latte. And I've had their eggnog latte, I'm not saying their name, and I didn't like it.
Really?
Yeah, I thought it was a little gross.
Well, you know what, I mean, it's, I think...
May I try?
Oh, I'm sorry. I think there's times where, you know, people, they make certain things and they miss out on the flavors. It's kind of like, do you remember when you and I first met and I was drinking Tim Hortons French vanillas all the time? Oh yeah,
those are disgusting.
Sorry, Tim's. Well, it's just, it just tastes synthetic.
Super sweet.
Yeah, I can't do it anymore.
And that mouthfeel, the
What's this
cream.
One?
Yeah, give it a try. This eggnog's not bad. I wasn't expecting it to taste pretty good.
Did you put anything in this one?
No.
I'm like, this one is subtle. Because I'm going, it's just like a latte. I'll drink it.
Whoop. Okay, so remember earlier today I made you taste test a gingerbread latte that I concocted. And I wasn't quite satisfied with it. I don't think you were satisfied with it either. You couldn't really say it was
it didn't hit you up front where you went like, wow, this smells like gingerbread. It didn't have that effect. It had an aftertaste where you could taste like you just had some gingerbread, but it didn't have that punch at the start where you went like, oh wow, this smells like that smelled like an eggnog latte to me. The one that you gave me this morning did not necessarily have that same impact, but it tasted good. I mean, I drank it, I loved it.
Yes, so I made a second one. The first one had molasses in it. I didn't put molasses in the simple sugar syrup. Simple sugars. Simple syrup.
Say that 10 times fast.
And so I used golden sugar. So not the dark brown sugar for the simple syrup. And you're drinking it and I haven't even
so far,
put it in there.
I'm going to say it tastes very light.
Okay.
You got to stir that puppy up.
Okay, so this one, so the original one, uh-oh.
Hang on a second.
Am I making noise?
Clinkety clink.
Too much noise am I making?
Clinkety clink clink.
Ding.
There we go. Okay, so we're just going to put like 1 tablespoon in there?
No, you gotta probably put 3 or 4 or 5.
Holy schmolies.
Yep.
It's thick like a syrup.
You can maybe try it with 3, see if it's enough. And then we've got whipped cream and some brown sugar to make it pretty.
Okay. Stir it up with my spoon here. And how long did it take you to make this?
Not long, couple minutes.
Okay, so it's not a hard thing for folks to do.
Can you kind of warm up water and throw sugar in it and then some spices?
Gingerbread.
It's better?
Yeah.
Yay!
Yeah, way better. I don't know what you did, but now it's like it's like I've got a gingerbread cookie there.
I'm gonna explain. I want to keep things as simple as possible, but sometimes when you cut corners to make things as simple as possible, they don't turn out so good. Like this morning, you were. Anyways, so the original one had molasses. You probably could put molasses in it, but I found it has that real molasses smell to it.
Now I'm depressed, my face broke out, I'm nauseous, I'm constipated, my feet swelled, my gums are bleeding, my sinuses are clogged, I got heartburn, I'm cranky, and I have gas.
And I just put cinnamon sticks and
we'll give them the recipe.
ground ginger.
You get the recipe for free. Can you believe that?
And I bought fresh ginger. Fresh ground ginger, dry ground ginger. Because I had some, I think it was like 5 years old. So I think it was time for some new stuff.
Maybe a little flavor gone on that one.
So the new one, I skipped the molasses because I didn't really care for the smell.
This is really good.
But I added cloves and allspice and powdered cinnamon instead of the cinnamon sticks.
I think you'll see what I'm talking about. It definitely has a much nicer, you can even, right off the first note, you get the gingerbread.
Yeah, it's better.
Way
Definitely.
Better. Way better.
And it didn't need the molasses. I think it should have more.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, 3 is good, folks. Trust me. Unless you like it real sweet. I don't like sweet drinks. It's I go to to any of these.
You lie.
No, seriously. I get it. Like if I get like in my drinks now, I get them like maybe 1/3 sweet. I like if they put 3 pumps in, I tell them 1. I can't handle it.
What are those red drinks you drink every single day?
That's Powerade.
Full of sugar. Fructose, glucose. Super sweet.
Speaking of that, what do we got for ice cream?
Oh, I have a treat. Would you like to do the honors? We're doing some Christmassy ice cream affogatos.
Oh, okay. I was just about to just bang a shot of coffee and go, okay. I would have been in trouble.
No, honey.
So, right on there?
Yep, right on.
Affogato is so good.
It is.
I'm going to clean off the gingerbread off of this one.
Oh, that smells good.
So what flavor ice cream do you have here?
You have to taste it and tell me.
Tell me it's not spumoni. It's green. Is it spumoni?
It's green, man.
I don't like spumoni. It can't be spumoni. This has got to be like peppermint or something.
I did say it was Christmassy, right?
Wow. Oh, that is a horrible combination.
Really?
Oh my goodness. Try that.
Uh-oh.
No, not this. Don't do the chocolate nonsense. Get some of that other stuff on there. Get more on there.
It's mint.
There, now try it.
Well, maybe because there was too much espresso.
Did not like that at all.
It's a minty. Maybe the chocolate part is better.
It's
actually, the ice cream is a peppermint hot chocolate ice cream.
That peppermint is not good at all. Sorry. That was a letdown.
Well, I think skip the coffee.
Skip the peppermint. How's that?
Sorry, baby.
Okay. Don't put it in front of me. You can have that one there all to yourself. What's this one? This looks like it's eggnog.
That's eggnog.
All right. Let's see. That is horrible. Oh. And it was like I just ate a tube of toothpaste.
And the white stuff tastes like marshmallow.
That's good. Yep. That's nice.
So it's like a hot chocolate marshmallow peppermint ice cream. 3 different flavors all lined up.
With a side of... This is really good. I like this one.
Maybe if you mixed it. Okay.
Yep.
May I?
Back off. Get your own sandwich.
Back up! Get your own sandwich! And
Back off! Get your own sandwich!
I already did.
That's really good.
The eggnog and the coffee together.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice.
That's really nice. I have to say that. Sorry, folks, but that was not an exaggerated reaction. That was just terrible tasting after everything.
Yeah, so if you really like eggnog, it's worth trying. These ideas.
Oh, you know what we should have had?
No.
You guys know what we should have had.
Oh, some rum?
You bingo. Boom. Come on.
Okay, so that would make a really even better dessert.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Rum makes everything better.
Does it now?
That would be really tasty. Yeah. Oh man, that would have been a home run.
Wow, you're really excited with the food today.
Wow, this one.
Yeah.
No.
Well,
This is a winner, folks. You gotta try this one.
okay.
All right. And is that it?
Yeah. That's all today.
That's all, folks. All right. Well, thank you very much, and thank you.
Thank you
And thanks for tuning in, folks.
for your honest opinions.
It's about all you know I'm ever going to give. If I like it, it's good. If it's not, you're going to get it. So yeah, I was going to say is click that like button, hit the subscribe button, that little reminder bell. What are you laughing about?
Because I interrupted you.
I'm used to that. What was I saying? I was on a train of thought there.
I don't remember. The store.
I hadn't got to the store yet.
Well, that's next.
That's next. You know what I'm going to tell you. Go to the store, groundsfordivorcecoffee.ca if you're in Canada, groundsfordivorcecoffee.store if you're US or international. Thank you so much. Thank you, and we will see you next week for another edition.
Thank you, baby. Ciao, ciao for now.